It's been around for over 25 years, and it has been established to give people an opportunity to learn more about gardening and also to spread the word that we do give money from the Garden Walk towards civic beautification and children's gardening programs.
All of our money does go towards civic and children's gardens. We aren't keeping it for us, we're spreading it around. Child's Elementary.
Mother Hubbard's Cupboard.
That's one.
And a variety of others.
Yeah, there's others.
So we just try to spread the money as we can.
We start looking at gardens the year before the Garden Walk. It sounds simple, but there's many different jobs, and we have lots of ladies who do different parts of the job so that we can all make it come together.
It was basically a derelict property when we moved in here. So the first thing to do was to clear out some of the jungle so we could have a small space for the yard and a garden. There was nothing was here, hardly, except wild. We've done everything ourselves, and so we move 300-pound things across the yard on a wheelbarrow together. It's the sense of discovery that I'm most interested in, to see if they notice the details.
We try to stick with, what's native to Indiana. So we keep as much of our Hoosier, there is no budget. You can't have a budget, you just have to go with it. It's hard to put a price on it, but we have several $1,000s worth of investment easily. Take time and be safe and, take the whole thing in.
Everyone has different ideas and different homes, and so everything's different. It's very individualistic. So
I think it's good when they can get gardening ideas to help them in their own gardens, and when they can have some general appreciation and awareness of gardening in general and what a difference it makes in our lives just to be out in nature and to experience that there's a whole culture of gardeners who really love to come together and talk with one another.